It's bad, guys. The Terrell Miller body cam footage is bad. Okay, prepare yourself. It's not very long. And I apologize about the weird narration over it. It came on the video.
Gain access to the east side stairwell and are met by a person who ushers the officers inside and points upstairs.
Macomb Police, open the door. Huh? Macomb Police, open the door.
Officers announce their presence and order the occupants to open the door.
Huh?
Officers hear screams for help. A distressed female subject could be heard yelling, "He's stabbing me."
Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your hands!
Officers force entry into the apartment.
Get out! My son!
A Macomb police officer discharged a single bullet. We will stop the video at this point.
He knew that baby was in there. You could hear the baby screaming before he even came around the corner. Why? Why did he fire? Sorry. This is a hard one. And yet they say he did everything right, that there was no wrongdoing, that they're not going to charge him with anything. Kiana screamed that her child was there. You could hear that baby crying. And instead of taking a moment to assess the situation, he saw brown skin come around that corner and he fired into that baby's head. Please do not let him get away with this. Make them change their minds.